Hi everyone, it's Josette van der Burgt here, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to assemble the new elephant die set. So here's the little elephant here. Very cute, and this is the die set. The face, the body, there's two circles, well, one oval, one circle in the set. They're both for his body, and I'll show you in a minute the different types of elephants you can make. His ears, the feet, the tail and the eyes, and then there's a plate with water splashes and a plate with hearts. So we can kind of blow hearts. So the two elephants, you can either make an elephant just standing tall and straight, or you can make a walking elephant. So then in that case you would use the oval body here that I colored already. And for the standing one, it's just a circle one. So I cut all the pieces, some I colored already. I used white soft finish cardstock, and I'm going to use the weathered wood distress ink for his body. So just circular motions. The body. And the ear. His legs. So for this one, I'm just coloring 2 legs for the standing one. And then if you were to do the walking one, you would color 4 left legs or 4 right legs, depending which side he's walking to. So you can just use the same legs, just you cut all 4 of the same. And then for the inside of the ears, I use tattered lace. And then for the little eyes, I cut those out of white cardstock or white soft finish cardstock with adhesive on the back. And I used a black marker for those. And then you can see them here. I already added them here. So now I'm just going to assemble the elephant. First I'll use some Kids' Choice glue. And I use my pieces that are already dry. So that is our first elephant here. And then I'll do a walking elephant as well. So with the walking elephant, we'll do 1 foot forward. 1 in the back. 1 foot forward, and then 1 in the back. And his tail. So now we have the walking elephant, super fun. I just have to add his eyes. There you go. And again, this is a really fun animal to dress up as well. Here with the cowboy hat. Let the adventure begin, and he's roasting a marshmallow. Super fun. That's from the new hats die set. The hat and his little scarf. This is a super cute one. Little girls will love this. It's a unicorn elephant, and the unicorn, the ears, is also part of the new hats die sets, hats accessory sets. And this one, I love you, and then with the blowing hearts. Super fun. Thank you everyone for watching. I've suggested a couple other videos that I think you will enjoy as well. Also, don't forget to download the free product sheet. See you next time.